Katie here with Shoes of Hollywood. You can see I picked the Sweetie shop because I love sweets and I can't wait to show you around this old beautiful town. Look, you see there's actually shops now. They look like houses, but they're not. They're very old school. I love the style of them. I think they're gorgeous. Today we'll be having a look at some beautiful pleasers again. So you can see here, beautiful butterflies. I love the butterflies. And we'll be looking at some flamingos. There's the tag just here. In an 8-inch, because I love my high heels. Now, I can't wait to show you these shoes. We have the black drawstring bag here, as you can see. We then have our black cloth bags, which our shoes are individually wrapped. And these are gorgeous, matte 8-inch, vegan-friendly leather. So you can see here. They've got a bit of a different strap at the top, as you can see, and also they've kind of crisscrossed over. A little bit different to what I normally wear, so I can't wait to show you these ones. I'll pop them just beside me so I don't go walkabout. And I'll get to the other one as well. Oops. Oops. Dropping things everywhere today. We have another beautiful 8-inch. Just here. Vegan friendly. Now, they do have their little buckle just on the side here. And it undoes just like that. I normally get my nail in just so it's easier to undo. Just like that. With my feet. And they slide on just like that. I'll do up the little buckle. Do it up nice and tight, maybe to this one. Yeah, that'll do. Now when they're newer, they're a little bit harder to put on, but once you pop them on a few times, it's very nice and easy. Now just like my foot, and pop it on. Oh, I need to undo the buckle first. That would probably help. Just like that. We'll pop this one on too. We'll do it up just like that. We do have little cars that drive through. Now we came here because they're closed. And I can't wait to show you around this little town. We just have to be careful. There's a little hill, and as you guys know, 8 inches aren't very small, so we've got to be super careful. And look, it's a little bakehouse. That's where they sell, I'm pretty sure they sell pies and sausage rolls and bakery style stuff. And they've got little tables and chairs, but as you can see, because of the restrictions, they are closed for the moment. And look, a milk bar. That's the way I like it. They sell ice cream there. You can see like the little ice cream cones. Well, I think they sell ice cream anyways. I hope so. And look, there's the pub. Just over here. That one's my favourite. I love having a little cheeky drink, but we can't do that because of the restrictions. So hopefully it will, I guess, ease off shortly because I need one. And these shoes are so comfy. I'm so glad we could take you outside. You know, get out of the shop. Nice fresh air. And oh my gosh, look! How amazing. I've got this little hill. Look! For all our English followers over in the UK, we have some English sweets. For all of my Americans, we do have American candy here. How good are we in Australia? We make sure we get all of the products from over there and sell it here in Australia so they know what you love over there. I love this. Pink is my favourite colour. And look, let me show you. Look at all this licorice. Have a look. So I think they sell licorice here. I hope so. Well, they've got it all over the door. And then they've also got over here some chocolate, some fudge. Oh, I can't wait till this one's open. So you can tell I'm a bit of a sweet tooth. But have a look at these beautiful. Look. Oh, because they're so hard, I've got a long way down. And now guys, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Click on the little bell in the corner and you'll be notified whenever we post a new video. And don't forget about our community tab where you can see all the behind the scenes and all the girls' Instagrams. And I love these shoes. Very easy to take off. Oopsie days. Undo the buckle just like that. And voila. I hope you guys enjoyed. I can't wait to see you next time. Bye.